What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back once again to Casual Cash. Today's episode is going to be incredibly fun and incredibly exciting because we have 5 of South Africa's top finance YouTubers who are going to be brought together to battle it out for finance supremacy. We're going to be giving them one choice in any easy equity stock to pick from now in October until the end of this year, and we're going to see which one comes out on top. But at the same time, we'll be taking you through the thoughts and the ideas around why these stocks were picked and why they're thought to be such a good investment. So stick around and let's get started. So for many people around the world, YouTube is the first place to go to hear the information of the day, the news and the markets, and where you learn new things and pick up new skills. But it's also where we go to build a community, to come together with like-minded people and share our skills and experiences. Luckily, we have a great finance community in South Africa to learn from each other, share our stories, and work together as a team to improve our financial future. So, that is why today we're going to get in touch with 4 of South Africa's top finance YouTubers and bring them together to issue a stock picking challenge. But at the same time, highlight some great creators and pick their brains on the stocks they enjoy and the markets we invest in. So in today's episode, you'll be hearing from the Tsegofatso, Money Marks, Talking Money with Nosy, and Money Met Aish. And if you want to check out any of their channels, just hop on over to the description of the video. And lastly, Casual Cash will also be throwing our hats in the ring for the challenge. Okay, so let's get right into it. We issued each YouTuber with one simple choice. They could pick any single investment on the Easy Equities platform. It could be stocks, ETFs, crypto, easy properties, and it could be from anywhere in the world. The US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and all we had to do was pick one investment that we thought would do well from the 1st of October until the last day of December this year, with any dividends being included in the performance. So it sounds simple, right? Well, let me just remind you that the markets have been mayhem this year. With turbulent economic conditions and seas of red, finding the right ship to anchor yourself to becomes incredibly difficult, especially for such a short time as 3 months. But hey, it's all for a bit of fun and entertainment, so let's see how it goes, and we'll be tracking these picks for a results video at the end of the year. Okay, let's get going, starting off with the Tsegofatso.
Hi everyone, it is me, the Tsegofatso, and my stock pick is Celsius. It is a US stock with the ticker symbol CLH. It is an energy drink, and the reason I chose it is because they've been showing very good year-on-year growth, and they are quite popular in the US. It's a best-selling energy drink on Amazon, so that's interesting, and they're currently expanding to other countries. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes.
So let's lock in the pick of Celsius Holdings for Tsegofatso. A great pick with 1,500% growth over 5 years, 54% in just 6 months, and with strong sales numbers and rumors of being bought by PepsiCo, this will definitely be one to watch. So next up, let's see which investment was picked by Money Met Aish.
How's it going, everybody? Jared Ace from Money Met Aish here, and although I don't have our studio back up and running just yet, I do have a pick for this little challenge with Casual Cash, Money Marks, and a few other influences. And I usually don't pick stocks over such a short period of time, and so I didn't pick a stock. But what I did pick still fits within the parameters of this challenge, and that is the US dollar. It's available on Easy Equities. You can purchase it on the app, and yeah, that is my choice. I see seas of red everywhere I look, and I see the dollar's just continuing to rise. Now, that doesn't guarantee that it's going to continue, but that is my bet. Until the end of the year, I'm picking the US dollar. Good luck to everybody participating, and guys, if your portfolio is just don't look.
Great ingenuity here. We gave the option of any investment on easy equities, and the US dollar is one of them, and a great choice. Just take a look at this, 24% growth in 6 months, and at one of the highest points it's ever been without signs of slowing down. A clever pick in uncertain times. But let's head on over and hear about the next pick from Talking Money with Nosy.
Hey guys, my name is Nosy from the YouTube channel Talking Money with Nosy. I accepted the challenge to try and guess which investment is going to perform the best between October and December 2022. I must admit that this is one of the hardest things I've ever had to do because of the state of the stock markets right now. It would have actually been easier to guess which investments are going to go down the most between now and December. But anyway, looking at what is going on globally with high interest rates, high cost of living, and recession fears, most people all over the world are going to cut back on non-essential spending, and they're going to focus only on essentials. So 3 essential sectors come to mind: consumer staples, utilities, and healthcare, because people still need to eat, keep their lights on, and pay for medicine whether or not there's a recession. Of these 3 sectors, I'm going to pick consumer staples, and I'm going to focus on the US market. So under consumer staples are the usual suspects like Walmart, Target, Colgate, Palmolive, Coca-Cola. There are lots of them, but I am going to choose Costco for the win. Costco is a warehouse club that charges membership fees, and it sells everything in bulk at lower prices compared to normal retail stores. So they make money from the membership fees as well as from the goods that they sell. I think since winter is starting overseas as well as holiday season is coming up, many people will be stocking up on essentials to prepare for winter and the holidays. And I think that Costco is going to benefit from that.
This is a great example of using macroeconomics and industries to pick in a particular market, and when affordability goes down, people move away from luxury goods in favor of daily consumables, and the share graph is showing some powerful long-term growth that I'm sure we'll see more of. Alright, so time for us to hear from Money Marks on his stock pick for the challenge.
Hey guys, Pete here, aka Money Marks. My stock pick for the Casual Cash Stock Picking Challenge is Alphabet, aka Google. Google is a great company which I believe is currently trading at a massive discount. Based on the analysis from Simply Wall Street, with a price of $97, it is currently trading at 60.5% below its estimated fair value of $246. With a price to earnings ratio of 17.6, it is also lower than most of its competitors, including Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, and therefore well below its peer average of 39.7. Alphabet's 1-year share price target is set at $142, which is an increase of 46.4% from its current price, and with a forecasted annual earnings growth of 12.9% and a debt to equity ratio of only 5%, I believe that its financials are in a very strong position with excellent potential future growth. I mean, the very reason why you are watching this video is all thanks to Google, because it also happens to own YouTube as well. And that's gotta count for something, right? But given the wacko market conditions we are currently experiencing, I have no idea how this stock will perform over the next 3 months. But looking long term, this is definitely a stock that I will buy and hold for the next couple of decades.
In these times, it's so important to look for value investing, which is what we've seen with Alphabet. While other tech stocks have posted declining revenue, they have achieved 13% revenue growth, and with the latest market is trading at an 18 price to earnings ratio, which is unheard of for Alphabet and shows some real value. And now to finish it off, let's take a look at my own stock pick for October. The stock I have decided to pick is Hsbc Holdings in the UK market. Hsbc is a worldwide finance company with operations globally. The reason that I chose this stock is a couple of factors. The first is that the share has been performing well this year with 24% growth over a 1-year period. That's always a good start, but in the last week the UK market was rocked by investors' reaction to their new mini budget with large tax cuts that might undermine their combating of inflation. This sent stocks tumbling, and the Bank of England had to intervene to buy their own government bonds to stabilize the market, with an updated budget to be presented in November. After this drop of 10 to 12%, I'm hoping it might be a good entry point and perhaps make back some ground by December. But honestly, anything can happen between now and then, so we'll have to see how it does. And there we have it, the final and binding picks for 4 of South Africa's top finance creators and us for the rest of the year. So just to recap, here we have Tsegofatso with Celsius Holdings, then Money Met Aish with the US dollar, Nozi with Costco, Money Marks picking Alphabet, and Casual Cash with HSBC. Like we heard, it is a tough market out there, so it'll be interesting to see how we do by the end of December. So if you want to see those results and you haven't done already, you're welcome to subscribe to the channel. And just remember, this is for a bit of fun, and if you want to make any investments, make sure to do your own research before. But guys, that is it for today's video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it as much as I did. And I want to send a big thank you to Tsegofatso, Money Met Aish, Nozi, and Money Marks for putting themselves out there in the name of fun for our viewers. And remember to go check out their channels. I hope you enjoyed this one, but until then, I'll see you guys next time, as always, on Casual Cash. Cheers.